सो रिसेंटली आई एम रीडिंग प्रोडक्टिविटी बुक्स अ लॉट और मैंने सोचा कि क्यों ना ये चीज तुम लोगों के साथ भी शेयर की जाए. सो फ्रॉम टुडे ऑन आई एम स्टार्टिंग अ न्यू सीरीज ऑन दिस चैनल कॉल्ड द नोबडीज लाइब्रेरी, जहां पे आई विल शेयर माय थॉट्स एंड डिस्कस विद यू अबाउट द बुक दैट आई हैव रिसेंटली कंप्लीटेड रीडिंग. और इस सीरीज के सबसे पहले वीडियो में हम लोग डिस्कस करने वाले हैं अबाउट द बुक कॉल्ड एटॉमिक हैबिट्स बाय जेम्स क्लियर. नाउ दिस बुक इज बेसिकली अबाउट बिल्डिंग गुड हैबिट्स एंड ब्रेकिंग द बैड वंस. मेरी तरह तुम में से जितने भी लोग हैबिट बिल्डिंग को लेके स्ट्रगल कर रहे हैं, आई थिंक दिस बुक विल समवट चेंज योर लाइफ. और आज इस वीडियो में आई विल शेयर विद यू 10 lessons that I learned from Atomic Habits. So the first lesson is getting 1% better every day. Now think about an airplane. अगर तुम उसके nose को सिर्फ 1% right या 1% left की तरफ घुमा दो, तो it will end up landing in a completely different place. This is what exactly happens with us. अगर हम अपने life में सिर्फ 1% good habits को भी implement करें, so we'll end up with the result of nearly 37 times better after 1 year compared to our 0% change. तुम्हें बस अपने good habits में 8% improvement लेके आना है. Like reading one page, writing one page, practicing one note, recording one video, doing one push-up, and so on. According to the book, a slight change in your daily habits can guide your life to a very different destination. Making a choice that is 1% better or 1% worse seems insignificant in the moment. But over the span of moments that make up a lifetime, these choices determine the difference between who you are and who you could be. Second lesson is forget about the goals and focus on the system. बहुत से लोग अपना goal set करते हैं and after achieving the goal, either वो उस चीज के बारे में completely भूल जाते हैं या they stop continuously performing it. For example, अगर तुम्हारा goal एक मैराथन दौड़ना है, तो अपने फर्स्ट मैराथन में participate करके उसे complete करने के बाद, यानी कि basically अपने goal को achieve करने के बाद बहुत से लोग running छोड़ देते हैं. According to Atomic Habits, अपने goal को achieve करने के बाद rather than उस habit को continuously perform करना छोड़ देना, you should focus on making it your lifestyle because achieving a goal is only a momentary change. The purpose of setting a goal is to win the game. The purpose of building systems is to continue playing the game. The third lesson is change who you are or the identity based goals. Mold yourself according to the goal you want to achieve. Make your goal your identity. Like my goal is to make videos on YouTube. So after a very long time, I changed my identity from a person who loves making video to a YouTuber who make videos on YouTube. क्योंकि if I continue loving making videos, then you'll be in your comfort zone. कि जिस दिन तुम्हें जिस टॉपिक पे वीडियो बनाने का मन करेगा, तुम उस दिन उस टॉपिक पे वीडियो बनाओगे. But giving yourself an identity as a YouTuber who is liable to make videos for their certain amount of subscribers will push you to follow this habit every single day, like writing script, shooting, recording, editing and uploading. Again, according to the book, the goal is not to read a book, the goal is to become a reader. The fourth lesson is there is no good or bad habits, there is only effective habits. Like अगर तुम्हारा सुबह जल्दी उठने का habit है, they wake up early every single day क्योंकि उन्हें पता है it gives them more time to work on their goals. In the same way, जिन लोगों को alcohol consumption का habit होता है, it is also serving them the benefits that they like calming down your nerves and relaxing your brain. अब इन दोनों ही habit में से you have to choose the most effective habit which will serve you good results in the long run. There is no good habits or bad habits. There are only effective habits. That is effective at solving problems. All the habits serves you in some way, even the bad ones, which is why you repeat them. For this exercise, categorize your habits by how they will benefit you in the long run. Generally speaking, good habits will have net positive outcomes. Bad habits will have net negative outcomes. Smoking a cigarette may reduce stress right now. That's how it's serving you, but it's not a healthy long-term behavior. The sixth habit is habit stacking and implementation intentions. Now what is habit stacking? Habit stacking is basically adding a new habit before or after the habits you perform every single day. Like for example, अगर तुम every day सुबह 7 बजे उठते हो, so you can stack a new habit like I'll wake up at 7 AM and just after that I'll do 10 push-ups. ऐसे ही तुम अपने regular lifestyle में छोटे या बड़े unlimited habit stacks बना सकते हो. Now here are some habit stacking examples from the book. After I pour my morning cup of coffee, I'll meditate for 60 seconds. After I meditate for 60 seconds, I will write down my to-do list for the day. After I write my to-do list for the day, I'll immediately begin with my first task. Now what is implementation intention? It basically gives your habit a particular time and a place to perform. For example, I will meditate for 1 minute at 7 AM in my kitchen. I will study Spanish for 20 minutes at 6 PM in my bedroom. I I will exercise for 1 hour at 5 p.m. in my local gym. I will make my partner a cup of tea at 8 a.m. in the kitchen, and so on. The sixth lesson is surround yourself with enthusiast people and a good environment. Go out with similar minded people. ज्यादा करके अगर तुम like minded लोगों के साथ बातचीत करोगे, then every day you'll get a new idea to get closer to your goals. The seventh lesson is build your environment with convenience and temptation building. Like जो भी habit तुम अपने life में implement करना चाहते हो, make it easy to perform it every single day. Like पिछले एक साल से तुम्हारे wardrobe में जो गिटार पड़ा है, place that guitar in front of you where you can see it every day. जिससे every day उस गिटार को देखने से you'll get the cue to perform your habit. If you want to make a habit a big part of your life, make the cue a big part of your environment. For example, if you want to remember to take your medicines each night, put your pill bottle directly next to the faucet in your bathroom counter. If you want to practice guitar more frequently, place your guitar stand in the middle of the living room. If you want to drink more water, fill up a few water bottles each morning and place them in common locations around the house. The eighth lesson is don't break the chain. Now we know that habit forming is a difficult task. क्योंकि जो भी नए habits हम अपने life में implement करने का सोचते हैं, we try it for the first time. And obviously अगर तुम किसी भी नए चीज को directly अपने lifestyle में add करोगे, it will take time to adjust. और सिर्फ इसी adjustment problem की वजह से people stop continuing their habits. All you need to do is to keep practicing them. Again, according to the book, in learning to speak a new language, to play on a musical instrument, or to perform unaccustomed movements, great difficulty is felt because the channels through which each sensation has to pass has not become established. But no sooner has the frequent repetition cut a pathway then this difficulty vanishes. The actions become so automatic that they can be performed while the mind is otherwise engaged. Both common sense and scientific evidence agree repetition is a form of change. The ninth lesson is track your habits. Habit tracking gives you a sense of accomplishment. Every single day जब तुम अपने habit को perform करते हो और उसे किसी भी physical या digital tracker में track करते हो, you feel way more motivated to perform it again tomorrow ताकि तुम्हारा streak ना टूट जाए. And I'm not talking about Snapchat. The first mistake is never the one that ruins you. It is the spiral of repeated mistakes that follows. Missing once is an accident. Missing twice is the start of a new habit. Final and the 10th lesson is find yourself an accountability partner. Join a group or be a part of a community where people share the same goals. जरूरी नहीं कि कोई group या community ही. You can also find one individual with the same goal. यहाँ पे होता ये है कि you always have someone who is tracking your habit and is always there to motivate you when you fail, and the same thing you do for them. This makes following your habits or achieving your goals more competitive and fun. So ये थे वो 10 lessons that I learned from Atomic Habits. Also इन सारे lessons में तुम्हारा क्या व्यू है ये तुम नीचे comment section में आके बता सकते हो. साथ ही अगर तुमने भी Atomic Habits पढ़ा है तो apart from these 10 lessons तुम भी अपना कोई lesson नीचे comment कर सकते हो. Also you can follow me on Instagram जहाँ पे मैं कुछ ऐसी चीजें डालता रहता हूँ जो कहीं ना कहीं तुम्हारे लिए helpful हो. So that's all for today's video. See you in the next one. Bye.